Namaste, my name is Nilesh Sinha and welcome to my channel Pilgrimage Varanasi. Today I will take you to a tour of Vindhyachal Ji Shrine, which is situated on the right bank of river Ganga, and it's approximately a little over 70 kilometers away from Varanasi. Drive time would be a little above 2 hours. Together with two other goddesses' temple, there emerges a triangular pilgrimage circuit, and it is convenient to reach there on your own vehicle or your own private taxi. The first stoppage over there will be, of course, the goddess Vindhyavasini or Vindhyachal Ji. The worship of the goddess in its established form is first mentioned in Mahatmya or Durga Saptati, a 7th century text. A Harivamsa Purana, a supplement of the Mahabharata, which was written somewhere between 3rd to 5th century AD, has a mention of it related to the Vindhyavasini Devi as the child of Yashoda, the foster mother of Shri Krishna. The great goddess Durga myth associated her with mountains, more commonly known as Himalaya or the Vindhya ranges. She dwells into the Vindhya ranges, so that's why she is called Vindhyavasini Devi. According to the Prakrit drama Godvaho, written by Vakpati Raja, King Yashovardhana undertook a military campaign in the autumn. Shortly after beginning his march, he paid the visit to the Vindhyavasini Devi temple. Also represents an aspect of Kali, and she is worshipped by the inhabitants. One thing what you will be experiencing there will be that you will be pulled and pushed by the local shopkeepers over there. Certainly it will irritate you. My suggestion in this to you will be, keep your mind calm and composed and concentrate upon what you are there for. But of course, when you will be visiting this temple, you will be needing a place where you can remove your shoes and buy some prasad. From the parking place, the temple is almost 500 to 600 meters away. But as I said, keep walking because these shops are like never ending. The moment you will reach very near to the temple, you can always choose the place where you can remove all your stuffs. I am not against any of the shopkeepers. I am just telling you, I am just advising you the kind of encounters what you will be having over there. Before entering into the temple, now you will be encountered with the pandas. Now who are the pandas? Pandas will come up to you and they will tell you that they will take you inside of the shrine and give you a very close darshana. For that, certainly they will ask for some money. Although they are negotiable, you can always negotiate. But there is another way to do it. You don't need any of the pandas. You just keep walking inside of the temple. People are there who will guide you from where you have to reach to the temple. Although the temple is not very big. It's a very small shrine where the Vindhyavasini resides. Except for the auspicious Hindu days, temple is usually not very crowded. After visiting Vindhyavasini Devi, you can go or drive towards Kali Ko. Again, the same kind of experience you're gonna have there as well, although that is the place which is not going to be very crowded. So just argue with them if you don't want to do anything, if you don't want to buy any stuff from them, because they will stop you quite before the temple. After visiting Kali Ko, you can again drive down towards the third place, which is Ashtbhuji or Ashtbhuja temple dedicated to goddess Saraswati. There again the same kind of an encounter you're gonna have, but again I would rather say that this is the local economy. You should support the local economy, but be negotiable always. I hope you have liked what I have just presented it to you. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it. And if you really like what I am doing, share my work with others and let them also know about the Pilgrimage Varanasi. And whenever you need our help from the team of Pilgrimage Varanasi, you can always write to us. Our details are very much there on your screen as well as in the description box. Thank you very much. I will see you soon. Thank you.